What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a location to your Snapchat story using stickers or filters. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, these steps will help you share your whereabouts with friends and followers in a fun and engaging way. Before we start, make sure that you enable the location for Snapchat to make this work. It is either Android or iPhone, so let's get started. First, locate the Snapchat app. After you locate the Snapchat app, tap on it. As you can see in the video, I will take a random photo to show you the tutorial. After you take a photo, the icon appears on the right side of the screen. So all you have to do is tap on the sticker, and the icon looks like a paper below the pencil icon. The sticker menu appears. In the sticker menu, tap on location, which is located at the top of the screen, where it has a GPS icon and a text location beside the sound stamp. As you can see, the places nearby appeared, and it's up to you if you want to choose one of the list, or you can choose the place you want to put in your story on Snapchat. For example, I will tap on the search bar and type the place I want to put in my story on Snapchat. So I will tap on it. Now the place with a GPS icon appeared. So all you need to do is tap on the Send to button at the bottom right of the screen. Adding a location to your Snapchat story is a straightforward process that enhances your snaps and help you connect with your audience. Whether you choose to use a sticker or a filter, following the steps will ensure your snaps are more engaging. Now that you know how to add locations, consider exploring more creative ways to use Snapchat's features to express yourself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.